Lightworks version 14 tutorial series presented by WBM Student Television.
Today we will be showing you how to use picture in video and video in video, which is putting one clip into another clip so that both clips are playing at once.
This is what they use in sport news so that they can play a clip from the game while taking another one.
When you use this effect, you can show one clip but still show another one at the same time, just like this.
Hey guys, so right now I'm going to show you how to do video in video. So as you can see right now I'm in the log tab. Over here we need to go to local files, places, and select our SD card. Okay, so we're in my SD card, and next double click on the clip that you want to import. Actually, double click on the two clips that you want to import. So this is going to be our main clip. Is going to be our clip that goes on top. Okay, so once we've imported both of those clips, we're going to go over to the Edit tab. So right click next to V1 and select, and you'll see something that says sequences. Commands, you're going to see a thing that says tracks, and you're going to add video. So next, the clip that you want to shrink is going to go into V1. So this clip is going to be on top of our first clip. So that goes into V1, and your second clip goes into V2. Okay, so next go into the VFX tab, and you can make your clips as big as you need them to be. So V1, right here, this is the clip that we're going to be putting on top of this clip. So V1, we're going to right click, and under Effects, go to Add. We're going to add a 2D DVE. So over here, we should now have color correction and DVE. And DVE, under Scale, we have our master controller. And you can use that to adjust the clip that's going to be on top. So, and then move it around using the position bar or using your X and Y axis over here. And I'm going to make that a little bigger. Okay, so now I'm going to play it. And as you can see, both clips will play at once. So that is how you do your video and video. Over to you, Jose.
Then places, then go to F can to your SD card. Now you will not import your clip by double clicking on it. Now go to the Edit tab and drag it into V1. Now go to VFX and go to V1 and right click. Now go to Add and go to Key. Then go to Image Key. Now over on the left there's a box that says image. So you wanna go to image, choose a file, then go to places, then go to the SD and find the picture you need. Now you wanna double click it to import it to the video. Now move it around through the master. Now to enlarge it or shrink it, use the X and Y axis. And that is how you do picture and video.